Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Several days ago I did an unboxing first look at the HadinEEon blender. So I said my demo would follow shortly. So now I'm going to actually do the demo. And this is how the blender looks. Beautiful. Red stainless steel. This is gorgeous. It has feet on it to keep it from sliding across the counter. It has a knob, and the knob has ridges on it. That may be important to some people. And it has a handle. And a polarized plug. One blade is wider than the other. I'm getting ready to plug it in. I will show you what I'm going to use. Let me plug it in first. Okay. I froze some apples a long time ago. I sliced them up and vacuum sealed them. I don't know why I put all these apples in one bag. And my bananas are even worse. I got them in another bag, and I couldn't break any of those apart. So I know not to do that again. Okay, this blender also comes with a large 20-ounce tumbler. And this is the blade. So I just washed everything. So I'm going to first put some liquid in here. I'll be using apple juice. I'm going to blend in both of them. I don't measure anything, I just eyeball it. Next I'm going to get some ice cubes. Just a minute. Okay, I make my ice cubes. I have an ice machine, and I put them in my vacuum seal bags. And of course they get clumped together, so I just bang the bag on the counter. So I've never had a bag to break on me yet. So this is great. So putting ice cubes up in here. Can y'all see what I'm doing? Where's the... There it is. Okay. Some apple slices. I got everything in this bag. I got strawberries, half a lime. Look at half a lime I got up in here. I got, look like tangerine or mandarin slices. Putting that in there too. Just like that. Piece of strawberry. I'm allergic to strawberries. Sometimes I don't care. I'm not going to get deathly ill if I eat a strawberry. I'll just break out. And it can't go in there. Okay, that's good. I'm not putting carrots in there. I have my baby carrots ready. So I'll put this back up. I'm gonna put the blade assembly on the jar. Make sure it's on there securely. Get this out of the way. Turn it upside down. Ain't nothing leaking. Okay, with the arrow. You'll see what I'm doing. Okay, now I'm going to put it on the number 2 setting, because that blends up hard stuff, and everything I got in here is frozen. Shake it up. And this is a good seal in here. There's a gasket in here. And see, this is perfectly dry. Nothing is leaking. Yeah, I think I needed more liquid. More liquid in here. This is high powered. It's 300 watts. We are learning together. They don't want you blending anything for longer than 1 minute at a time. Else it has a overheat protection thing that's built in, so it'll shut itself off. So you don't burn the motor out, which is a good thing. So don't be alarmed if you're using it and it stops on you. Okay. This is done. Wow. The top on it. They both come with tops with handles. Okay, I got the little bitty 10-ounce tumbler on here, so I'm going to blend it. Okay, I want to shake this up. I think it needs more liquid also. But it's easy to use. Right now it's like a slushy, which is good. Okay. You want a smoothie? Do you want a smoothie? Okay. Walter just not waking up. Here it is. What time is it? 12:48. Okay. Got to position this in here properly, else you ain't blending nothing. Put it in there and then turn it. It has arrows on the side. Okay, I'm going to taste it. And as you can see, it's perfectly dry in here. Nothing leaked. You can see it has arrows on the side, so you can lock it into place, into the base for it to work. So I'm putting the lid. This is a little more liquidy than the first one. Okay, I'm gonna drink this. Whoops. Gonna try it. Nice and thick. See the straw stands up in it. Hope this straw ain't too skinny. Oh my goodness. This is good, y'all. This is really, really good. The HadinEEon blender. It works good. And like I said, this is my first time ever using this. So I know what to do now and what not to do. This is delicious. Okay. I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye.